How's it going, guys? I'm at the traffic lights because I'm in my car and I'm on my way to shoot a video for you beginners out there. Basically, there's going to be a video for very fresh beginners in the hobby that are getting out there and flying their quads for their first time. I'm going to be mainly showing examples of what I used to do when I first started flying. I think these are some of the best things you can sit there and practice, stand, whichever way you want to fly, and practice to build a solid foundation in developing your skills further. So there's not much more I can elaborate on that in the car. I will see you out in the field. Catch you there. Okay guys, so this is basically what I used to do when I first started flying. Just used to get out in a big open park like this and just practice this drill. This is the best way, well, I believe is the best way to develop the foundations of flying well. Gives you good throttle control and it teaches you to turn both left and right off the bat. So without talking too much, let's get straight into it. So what you want to do to take off, just arm it, just give a little bit of throttle and you're up. Then you just want to just do figure eights. You're probably, because you're beginners, you're probably going to be a lot higher than this. You're probably going to be about, I don't know, maybe up here. I reckon that's probably where I was when I first started. And you just keep doing these figure eights and try to hold a steady altitude. And by doing figure eights, you're training your body, or you're training your hands and mind to turn both left and right equally. So many times I see beginners and even experienced guys, they favor a side. So just when you first start right off the bat, you just start practicing with the figure eights. You're going to minimize that favoritism to one side. So just keep practicing that, and as you get better, you really want to get low, because that's what really develops the throttle control. And as you can notice, my finger actually starts working a bit more as I'm getting lower to the ground. So just get nice and low as you can, holding a steady altitude, still work those figure eights. And just work it. See my fingers working a lot more. Working that throttle. Just keeping that steady level. And as you're getting better with that, you want to maybe add some more speed if you want. Tighter turns. Just keep on practicing that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what develops your throttle control, and that's the most important foundation in this hobby, or flying, whatever. The battery's starting to get low, so before I come in, you can start like mixing it up, chucking little flips in there, and the same with that. Or rolls. Do the same thing, left and right, left and right. Don't favour one side, don't roll to right all the time, or don't roll to left all the time. See? Alright, my battery's wanting me to come in. So that's what I'm going to do. And that Here's how you practice throttle control. So just keep doing that until you're like really comfortable with it, and then just build up from there. That's the best way to get smooth, in my opinion. Anyways, there's a lot of people rocking up here, so I'm gonna get going. Catch you later, guys.